Yo, what up, Street Dogs? Eric Kim. All right, so lately, ever since society's cleared out a bit, I've been enjoying more time with nature, where I kind of look at natural things and I look at it in awe and wonder. So it's amazing to see how this tree grows in practical patterns and just kind of all a little bit crazy. Hello. And yeah, it just yeah, nature is beautiful. There's so much wonderful things to see in nature. See lots of nice trees. Look at these nice rocks. And actually now, I really truly do believe that the ultimate luxury is being able to go outdoors and enjoy nature and enjoy all the beauty and the beautiful things that we could witness. So it looks like the government still is quite lenient about us going to nature. And yeah, and I think it's good because one of the wonderful things about being alive is to be able to get fresh air, to see the sun, get some vitamin D's in our system. And certainly, you know, we humans were not designed to stay home indoors all day. And now we could obviously cope and we could survive being home all day, but it's not really the optimal conditions of our thriving. We humans, we like to be out, fresh air, we like to see natural things. There's biophilia. Looking at all these nice plants and natural things. And it seems that, you know, while you can, try to get as much air as you can. And, you know, I'm not 100% sure what the legal laws are in your state, your county, your country, whatever it may be. But whenever the weather's nice, or even when the weather's not nice, see how much you could go out and get as much fresh air as you can. There's a saying from my friend Matthias, a Swedish saying, there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothes. So, you know, suit up in your Gore-Tex jacket when it's raining. And kind of use this opportunity to document just the world and to just find more joy in the visual world. And so, like, even for me, one of the realizations is having to spend more time indoors means when we actually do go outdoors, I think our visual acuity, or our ability to see, is actually greatly heightened. So, you know, honestly at this point, in terms of being a photographer, I don't think it really matters whether you make the world's best photos or not. It's just really whether you're making photos which brings you joy, and photos which encourages you to go out and engage more with nature and to see more natural things. All right, so some other thoughts. So obviously times are tough and things are very difficult for us, but given all these difficulties and these creative constraints, how can you make the best out of it? So some other things I've been personally doing, using this time to catch up on some reading I wanted to do. So rereading the Iliad and other great epic novels, that I've been personally interested in. I've been using this chance to like work out like 3 times a day, and actually as a consequence I've been working out more, and also my muscle growth or my hypertrophy has been going up, which has actually been a really good thing. And so, you know, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Let's figure out how to make the best out of our given situations and enjoy all the natural beauty around us.